Scarlett Johansson and Channing Tatum flew to NYC for Fly Me to the Moon world premiere. The co-stars walked the red carpet together at the event on Monday night at AMC Lincoln Square Theater in New York City. Scarlett was joined at the event by her husband Colin Jost, who makes a brief cameo in the movie. Also in attendance were co-stars Jim Rash, Anna Garcia, Donald Elise Watkins, and Noah Robbins, as well as director Greg Berlanti. The movie is set against the high-stakes backdrop of NASA's historic Apollo 11 moon landing, brought in to fix NASA's public image. Sparks fly all directions as marketing maven Kelly Jones Johansson wreaks havoc on launch director Carl Davis's Tatum already difficult task. When the White House deems the mission too important to fail, Jones is directed to stage a fake moon landing as backup, and the countdown truly begins.
Can you get with these girls, Channing? Thank you.